Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. Today I have an unboxing of Allure Beauty Box. I'm so excited. I know one of the things in here, I can't even pretend like I don't. I don't know everything because I think there are variations. And within what I do know, there's a variation, but I still know it's in here. Natasha Denona. And I am so excited. I can't wait to get in. Let's get in here. I've undone the bottom so we can see. And there we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it up, and we have our little pamphlet and our clear bag this month. Clear bag of goodies. Spoiler! And every month we've been getting a different colored plastic bag. We started with red, black, white. This one's clear. So far, one of the three, the white one for me, has been not ripped on the side. So we'll get into that in a minute and see what we've got. This is the pamphlet that comes with it, and that's Carly Bible on the front. They did a collab with her this month. So in here, there are different opinions on each of the products from editors, and we'll open that up so we can see what they have to say about it. And let's get into the box and see what's in my little plastic pouch. I know you're prepared to be shocked, but it's ripped. So now we've had 4, and 3 of my 4 have been ripped. I don't know what their commitment to these bags are, but I sure hope that it's over soon. I can't lie. I try and be so positive on here, but I wish they would just quit with the broken bags, because I just feel like this much plastic is just so wasteful. And it's just every month that comes to my house and goes to the trash. I don't know if it's recyclable because it doesn't talk about it. You didn't come here to hear me talk about plastic. Let's move on. So, first out of the bag, I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills. Are you kidding me? Liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. It is so awesome. I have to tell you, this is why, despite these silly little ripped plastic bags, I stay with Allure. They have months that are better than others, but their months that are good are fantastic. Oh, this is a really pretty nude. I bet it's very light for some people, but I am so pale that I am willing to bet that it's, oh yeah, it's gonna be great on me. I have lips on darker than this, but look how pretty. That's gonna be such a great summer nude, and it felt so nice even just going on my hand. So awesome. See, this, I'm sure, I'll look it up right now, is probably covers the cost of the, oh, it's on page 1. So I even took it out right. Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood is a $20 value. So the box, oh, I should tell you, I always forget this. Why doesn't somebody remind me? Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription that generally when you sign up the first month, you can get $10, and I will put a link below. So let's see what's next in my box now that I've remembered to tell you all the details. Next we have, I'm starting with the 2 good things, Natasha Denona eyeshadow. I mean, are you kidding me? You're not. You're not kidding me because I'm holding it in my hand. This is 24 karat bronzage. That's what it says on the outside of the box. This is what I think I've seen most people unbox. And that is the packaging. They knew it. Scream Natasha Denona. This is my first Natasha Denona. I have never purchased one of her palettes. Her palettes usually go for about $129. Oh my goodness. This is so creamy for a powder. I just want to keep rubbing my hand in it. Swatching. Oh my gosh. Well, wow is all I can say is wow. That is, how gorgeous is that? I mean, seriously. It's so shiny and nice, and even done with my finger from, and this is how, you know, I know they say don't judge swatches, but from beginning to end is a perfectly even, not patchy, not faded. It's just a perfect swatch from beginning to end. Wow. I'm so excited. Keep it together, Catherine. Let's see what they say about the Natasha Denona. It is a $27 eyeshadow that says, even dusted on dry, these shadows are vibrant. If you really want to turn heads, though, spritz your brush with a setting spray after you dip into the shadow, then apply. After you dip into the shadow. I don't think I've ever done that. I can't imagine how much more bling that gets when it gets wet. The day that I do that, you'll know when I'm taping. You'll be like, oh, she made that wet today. Pow. Okay, next we have a Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. All right. That is exciting. It is a $22 value. Where you hold it is rubber tipped, so it's like a pencil. Oh, it's in blue. Oh, that's so nice. Did you see how, look, did you see how easy that went on? That's so pretty. It's crazy pretty. This says that it is super pigmented, creamy color with a fine, soft point to be precise. It is waterproof. I have on, in that Tilly unboxing that I just did, I got the Mally waterproof eyeliner that they say you can use in your waterline. I can't see me because I have to either have my glasses on or show you, which I'm getting ready to do, but you guys can tell. I put it in my waterline probably 6 or 7 hours ago. I don't know. Is it still there? My eyes water so much. I can't wait to hear back the answers. I'll probably go look when we're done with this, but I can't have my glasses on and see because of the reflection. Sadness. Okay, enough about that. What's next? I have a Luxie brush. Yay. I just love the Luxie brushes, and I have several that are in this rose gold collection, so it's starting to look like a thing. This is the 231 small tapered blending brush. I will use the heck out of this. I can use the blending brushes. I have a lot that are smaller than this and bigger than this, but this is perfect little size. Come on, Allure is killing it. I have had some great boxes this month. I had a great Sephora box. I know a lot of people were disappointed about the Sephora box, but I had a great Sephora box. I had the Tilly box that I just unboxed, was fantastic. I am having great, and I just did my collab with Laura. It's been a fantastic month. By the way, this is that I keep getting off track here, but this is a $12 brush. And it is short tapered synthetic hairs that deposit the perfect amount of shadow. I tend to agree. I really enjoy my Luxie brushes. Next we have the Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Phenomenal. Up to 10 days from one application, organic tan infused cloth. This is the pouch that it comes in. And inside that pouch, we appear to have 2 foil packets of these. Told a whole story about normal hand and fake age spot hand, where I have stains on the back of my hand from self-tanning, and ever since then I have been very nervous about it. That said, I am taping this on Saturday, and tomorrow is Easter, and I have a pretty dress and 2 really white legs sticking out the bottom, so we'll see. I might try it. They say that it is $25 for a pack of 8 of those. The editor that reviewed this said that she self-tans every 2 weeks and her boyfriend can always tell when she does and never fails to call her out. But after she used these, he had no idea. That would be fantastic if they have finally gotten to the point where they actually have a self-tanner that doesn't stink. We'll see. I'm not sure if I believe them yet. Last but not least, I have a Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protectant Cream. It's a pretty good sized tube of it. I have not had this. I've had several of the Briogeo sprays, you know, the heat spray and the leave-in conditioner, those kind of things, but I have never had this, so I most certainly will try it. They say that it is $24, I'm sure, for the full size, and this is not the full size, I'm sure. This is 0.75 ounces. The editor that reviewed this said, you get hit with this heat protectant cream's pretty floral fragrance right out of the tube, and the scent lingers for hours after you've blow dried. Good to know, in case I don't like it. But that's not the only reason I love this light cream. After towel drying, I run a dime size amount through my damp hair, blow dry with a paddle brush, and I am left with a silky, frizz-free blowout that lasts until I'm ready to wash my hair again, usually every other day. Well, frizz-free is fantastic this time of year. I have such fine, thin hair that it's hard for me sometimes to work up a frizz, but once it starts getting hot and I start getting hot, right under here, some of this tends to get a little frizzy. So I can drag a little through the bottom and we'll see if it makes a difference. Okay, that is my Allure beauty box for April. And wow, that was a fantastic beauty box. Aside from the fact that, oh, this one's just flat out ripped. This is the first one that I've had that has just literally, can you see the edge? Probably not because it's clear. It is just flat out ripped. Usually I feel like they haven't sealed it well here and I have a hole that's like where the seal didn't take, but nope, this one's ripped. Anyway, I got great products and that's why we're here. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip, the Natasha Denona eye, the Briogeo hair, the Laura Geller eyeliner, the Luxie brush, the tan towels. I mean, wow, come on, that's good stuff, right? Thanks so much for coming by to watch my unboxing. This was a fantastic month. I will tell you right now, this is what I'm gonna look like. Actually, this is what I'm gonna look like tomorrow. These two will be in full-on play. I cannot wait. I will report back on the Natasha Denona. I hope you could tell whether there was still liner in my waterline. I will try this one since they say it is also waterproof. My eyes are just, as I get older, I feel like they're fading into my head and I'm trying to find something that will stay in my waterline and I will keep trying. All right, everybody, thanks so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I put up new videos, you'll be the first to know. And I will see you soon. I hope you have a great weekend, everybody. Bye.